Hey guys, are you looking for a way to share your stories with only the people you trust? In this video, I'll show you how to create a private story on Snapchat. After watching this video, you will know the simple steps in order to make sure that your chosen friends are the only ones able to see it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, we will simply open our Snapchat mobile application, and after that you simply have to tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, scroll down a little bit until you see My Stories section. Once you have find My Stories section, you simply have to tap on the three little dots right next to the Add to My Story. Once you will tap on this, you have to go to Story settings. So now it will gives you three options. You can view My Story, Everyone, Friends Only, or Custom. So here, if you want to select the persons to whom you don't want to see your story, you simply have to go to Custom, and from here you have to select the persons whom you don't want that your story will be shown. Once you have selected the person, you have to simply click on Block, and after that person you have selected will not be able to see your story. Then you simply have to go back and you can create your own story, and it will only visible to the person that you have not selected, because the person you have selected from the custom page will not be able to see your story. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.